Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A modern backyard garden scene featuring a contemporary house with large glass windows and a flat roof, blending into a lush environment. The patio showcases a wooden dining table surrounded by black chairs, adorned with vibrant yellow coneflowers in full bloom. The garden is meticulously landscaped, with a mix of colorful flowers, neatly trimmed hedges, and a pathway made of light stone tiles. The setting evokes a serene atmosphere, filled with lush greenery and warm, natural light, capturing a sense of tranquil outdoor living. Cozy outdoor lounge space featuring a circular rattan sofa with soft gray cushions, surrounded by lush tropical greenery and potted plants, natural wood decking blending seamlessly into manicured grass, soft afternoon sunlight filtering through the leaves, warm earthy tones accentuated by hints of green and beige, with two wicker hanging lamps overhead and decorative poofs on the ground. An elegant pool in the background reflecting the sky, architectural elements with glass and wood, inviting. Atmosphere ideal for relaxation, hyperrealistic style. Modern architectural design featuring a contemporary house with a mix of sleek black metal and warm wooden accents. The setting is a lush garden with vibrant orange marigolds lining the entrance steps, surrounded by greenery and tropical plants. Large floor-to-ceiling windows provide a view into the inviting interior adorned with natural light and cozy furnishings. The atmosphere is serene and harmonious, capturing the essence of nature intertwined with modern living. The colors are rich and deep, with greens dominating the scene and pops of bright orange from the flowers. A bright and inviting modern backyard scene showcasing a contemporary two-story home surrounded by lush greenery. The exterior features sleek lines and large panoramic windows, inviting natural light into the living space. The outdoor area includes a spacious patio with a wooden dining table set with elegant black chairs, surrounded by vibrant flower beds with red and pink blossoms. A manicured lawn with well-defined stone pathways leads through carefully arranged flower gardens and shrubs, emphasizing a harmonious connection with nature. Tall evergreen trees stand in the background, framing the home and adding depth to the scene. A luxurious modern home exterior with an open layout, featuring a sleek, flat roof design and natural wood accents. The scene captures a tranquil afternoon light casting soft shadows across the space. A pathway made of large, rectangular stone slabs leads to a relaxing outdoor seating area surrounded by lush greenery. Tropical plants, including palm trees and vibrant orange flowers, frame the space, providing a burst of color against the neat, manicured lawn. The pool reflects the surrounding architecture, while large glass doors offer an inviting view of the elegantly furnished interior. A modern, Zen-inspired outdoor living space featuring a sleek, contemporary design. The scene showcases a spacious, open-plan living area seamlessly flowing into a beautifully landscaped garden. Walls adorned with lush greenery offer a scenic backdrop, creating a tranquil atmosphere. Warm, natural wood tones complement the dark, textured exterior, while large glass doors provide a view of the interior. The patio includes stylish, minimalist lounge furniture arranged on a wooden deck, surrounded by neatly trimmed grass and vibrant tropical plants. Pathways of smooth stone tiles and pebbles meander through the garden, inviting exploration. Modern architectural oasis with a seamless blend of indoor and outdoor spaces, featuring an expansive wooden deck adorned with lush greenery. The scene showcases a serene garden setting, where tropical plants cascade down the walls and vibrant foliage surrounds the space. Soft ambient lighting highlights the natural textures of concrete and wood, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. The colors are rich and natural, with deep greens of the plants contrasting against the warm browns of the wood and the cool grays of the concrete. A cozy outdoor seating area with plush cushions invites relaxation, while strategically placed stones add an organic touch to the tranquil landscape. A serene garden scene featuring a modern patio design that seamlessly integrates with nature. The setting is a lush green landscape filled with vibrant orange flowers, creating a striking contrast against neatly manicured grass. A pathway made of smooth black stone slabs is interspersed with polished black pebbles, leading through the garden. On one side, a contemporary structure showcases a stone exterior with a cozy outdoor seating area, complete with comfortable furniture and a warm glowing fireplace. In the background, tall trees provide a natural canopy, while meticulously arranged ferns and shrubs add depth to the scene. Modern architectural design of a luxurious outdoor living space, featuring a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor areas. The setting is a contemporary home surrounded by lush, tropical greenery, including large palm trees and vibrant plants. The color palette includes earthy tones with accents of green from the foliage and the bright white of outdoor furniture. The scene is bathed in warm sunlight, casting gentle shadows on the patio, which showcases a well-manicured lawn and stone pathways leading through neatly arranged grass and modern landscaping elements. There are comfortable lounge areas with sleek, modern sofas and a dining table set for outdoor meals, emphasizing relaxation and socialization. A tranquil outdoor space featuring a modern patio seamlessly integrated with nature, showcasing a picturesque waterfall cascading over textured brick walls. The vibrant scene is adorned with lush greenery, including tropical plants and well-groomed flower beds, creating a serene atmosphere. A wooden deck with contemporary seating arrangements provides a cozy yet elegant gathering spot, surrounded by a pond filled with lily pads. The color palette includes rich earthy tones of the bricks, deep greens of the foliage, and warm wooden accents, illuminated by soft natural light filtering through the trees above. A serene, modern outdoor living space that blends seamlessly with nature, featuring an elegant wooden deck surrounded by lush tropical greenery. The scene is hyperrealistic, showcasing an inviting, minimalist design with large glass panels that bring in ample natural light. The color palette centers on warm earth tones, including deep greens, soft browns, and neutral grays, punctuated by vibrant plant life.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.